Welcome to LA County Library's Dia de los Niños craft program. Dia de los Niños celebrates children and families and emphasizes the importance of reading and books for children of all linguistic and cultural backgrounds. Today, we'll learn about a special Japanese tradition by making a Koinobori, a carp fish-shaped windsock that is flown in Japan on May 5th, which is their Children's Day. The carp fish symbolizes strength, courage, and perseverance, and the ability of children to overcome obstacles. So grab your craft supplies and let's get started. We're going to start by making the head and tail areas using a W shape. So make it on one side of your paper, flip your paper around, and make the W shape for the tail area. We're going to use that same W shape to draw the scales. So make a note of where the center is on one side of the paper. There's one W shape. And there's another W shape. Come down to the next row and continue drawing in the scales of your fish. Don't worry if the scales don't look perfect. You can clean them up. They'll look great once they're colored in. Now let's draw the eyes. We're going to do the eyes by drawing 3 concentric circles. There's a big circle, a medium-sized circle, and a smaller circle. Come over and do the other eye. And for decoration, down at the tail area, it's traditional to draw these rectangle shapes. So we're just going to do rectangles all the way down the tail area. Great, now that our fish is sketched out, we're going to move on to the fun part and color it in. So I'm starting here with the eyes. Grab one color and let's do the eyes. Now that's done, let's take another color and fill in the rest of the fish's head. And we finished that. It's time to move on to the scales. I'm going to take one more color. I'm using just 3 here today. And we're going to fill in each of the scales. Notice how when I'm coloring in the scales, I don't go all the way to the bottom. This is traditional Koinobori style. And here I'm using the same color that I used for the eyes, and we're going to color in the rectangles. Now we're gonna flip our fish over. It's time to get the streamers ready. Take the tissue paper out of your craft pack and cut it into smaller strips. Once you have that done, take your glue stick. We're gonna put a line of glue at the bottom. Make sure you're working at the tail end of the fish. And press your streamers onto the glue. I'm going to give myself a little edge here to apply the glue to. Once you have your glue applied, grab the opposite side of the paper, fold it over to meet that edge, and press firmly. And there you have the fish. Next, we're going to make small holes near the top of the fish. So if you have a hole punch, that works great for this task. Otherwise, please ask an adult to help you make holes with a pair of scissors. Good, now that the holes are made, grab your string out of your craft kit and tie a knot there, flip over, and do the same on the opposite side. Feed the string through the hole and tie a knot. And once that's done, you're ready to hang it outside and join the Japanese tradition of celebrating children. Thank you for joining us today. Visit the Kids Corner on LA County Library's website for recommended books and lots of activity ideas. Also, please take a minute to fill out a short survey to share your thoughts on your experience today. Find the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for easy access to more great programs and activities. Thank you and bye for now.